Hey guys, just want to do a quick video on the Borla Atak Crate Muffler that I just had installed. I showed a video of it. I want to give you now some revs and some drive-bys, let you kind of hear it when it's warm start, normal takeoff, flooring it, and just some revs. So I'm going to go ahead and crank it. This is going to be a warm start. Alright, so I'm going to give you some revs real quick. Alright guys, this is going to be the normal takeoff. Alright, here's going to be a normal drive-by. Alright guys, this is going to be a pretty aggressive full throttle drive-by. Alright, this is going to be a full throttle takeoff. Alright guys, going to give you some sounds from in the cab. This is normal takeoff. Really not that loud. It's not annoying. It starts to go away once it goes up in gears. This thing on the interstate, I mean, there's no drone. It's for an everyday driver. It's perfect. It's there when you want it. But you know, if you just want to take a family trip or go back and forth to work, daily driver, like I said, it's not annoying. So I'm going to rip it a little bit here in a second, as soon as the traffic stops. When you get on it with all the windows up, you know, you definitely tell it's there. So put the windows down, give you that. It's non-existent really with the wind noise, so of course when you let the back window down or let the back window slide open, so I'll get on it here in a sec. I think that moped might have been louder than my truck actually. Alright, so I'm going to get on it here. So you can definitely hear it when you want to hear it. Like I said, it's not overly loud. Muffler delete was a little bit louder. Not by too much. I think it sounds pretty good. You know, like I said, a daily driver, I like it more than the muffler delete. But yeah, that's pretty much going to do it. There's all the sounds I could give you. So if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. More videos to come, and until next time.